And this question is given that if A vector is 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap, then the direction cosine of vector A R. So we know that what is direction cosine? Direction cosine means nothing but cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Cos alpha is nothing but x component divided by magnitude of vector. Like that cos beta is nothing but its y component divided by magnitude of vector. And cos gamma is nothing but z divided by magnitude of that vector. So first we can find out what is the magnitude of this vector A vector. So we can write this magnitude of this vector is equal to nothing but under root of x component square, which is 4, plus y component square, which is 16, plus 5 square, which is equal to 25. So we can write this as nothing but under root of 45. So we can just put this value over here. So its cos alpha is known as its direction cosine along x-axis. So that is x, the value of x is 2 divided by magnitude of A, that is root of 45. Like that you can write its y component is 4 and magnitude is root of 45. So the value of cos gamma is going to be z component which is minus 5 divided by a root of 45.